Aslima and welcome back to my channel Sehla Mehla Tunisian Cuisine Made Easy. Today we'll be making barley soup, or what we call in Tunisia shorba sha'ir. The main ingredients are beef, of course the cracked barley, onions, tomato paste, harissa, celery, parsley, and some spices. Detailed ingredients will be in the description box below. So to start, I'll be putting my pot with some olive oil inside and I'll heat it up for a little bit. When my oil is heated up, I will add my barley that I already rinsed. I'm kind of trying to saute the barley on the oil so I can get all the flavors.
I'm adding my boiling water over there.
I will then add half of the whole quantity of water that I'll be needing for this. Next, I will let it cook or boil for about 30 to 45 minutes. A layer of white foam will form. This is what I need to get rid of. I will then add my cubes of meat and my onions and garlic. Next, I'm adding the tomato paste and harissa, and I'm giving the whole thing a good stir until I make sure that they melted in the hotness of the water. And finally, I'm adding all of my spices. I'll stir the soup again and make sure that none of my spices is staying clumpy. "15 minutes after, as my soup is boiling, I'm adding more boiling water. Next, I will be adding my celery, which I will collect later after they release all the flavors in the soup. Once again, I'm gonna cover my pot and let it cook for about 30 more minutes. Now that my celery is cooked about 45 minutes later, I'm taking it off the pot. Next, I'm adding the parsley that I chopped very finely. I'll give it a stir and I'll let the soup get the final flavors for about 15 minutes, and then it's done. That was our recipe of the day. I hope you guys liked it. You can just serve it with some freshly chopped parsley. And if you liked the video, don't forget to like it, subscribe to the channel so you can get all the new videos I will upload later. You can also find me on Instagram and Facebook.